I'm going to show you how to make an amazing Ethiopian chicken stew, also known as Doro Wat. It is packed full of flavour, really easy to make, and the whole family like it, even the kids, because it's not too spicy. First thing to do is we're going to make a quick marinade. You might not have heard of baharat seasoning, but you can get it in pretty much all the supermarkets. They often even do their own brand version of it, so you'll probably easily find it. Then pop that in the fridge, 30 minutes is all it needs, and then while that's happening, we're going to chop an onion, and then we're going to heat a large pan. Now you need a bigger pan than this. You will see I run out of space, so don't do what I did. Big pan, bigger than a frying pan, pop the chicken in it, and we're just going to cook it on a high heat to get some colour on it. It doesn't need fully cooked through this stage, that'll happen when we make the sauce. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Reduce the heat down to about a medium and then pop that onion in, and we're going to fry that for about 5 minutes or so until it starts to soften. And then you're going to add in some pureed or really finely chopped garlic and ginger and give that a further 30 seconds of frying. Then add in your chicken stock. I mean, this is why you need a bigger pan than the one I'm using, because I'm pretty much overflowing. If you've got a bigger pan, this won't be a problem. And then add in some tomato puree, hit it up with some more salt for seasoning, and then we're going to add the chicken back into the pan, making sure to include any juices that have come out while it has been sitting aside. Cook this, we're going to pop the lid on it and give it 15 minutes, and then we're going to remove the lid and increase the heat a little bit, and then give it about 10 to 15 minutes till it thickens up and looks something like this. And then you just need to plate it up, garnish with something green. It goes really well with rice or some breads. And if you'd like the full recipe for this, you can get it in my recently released recipe book, and you will find a link to get it in the description below. Hope you enjoy this one. See ya!